15,000 subscribers, guys. First and foremost, I want to say a massive thank you to each and every one of you, because if it wasn't for you guys, this channel just wouldn't be worth doing. Now, to mark this milestone, I want to do something which I've never done before, and I want to do it with the help of you guys. So I'm wanting to do a Q&A, or a question and answers video. Now, you can literally ask me anything you like. It can be about tattooing, it can be about me as a person, it can be about life in general, literally anything you want to ask. The more obscure, the more interesting the questions, the better. So you can send me your questions to my official Instagram, which is @JonoSmithTattoo, or you can email me them at askjonosmith@gmail.com. Now, I'll put the links to my Instagram and the email in the description below to make it even easier for you. So what will happen is, once I've got enough questions in, I'll put a video together and put it out. And for everyone's question who I do read out, I'll give you a personal shout out on the channel as well. So once again, guys, I want to say a massive thank you. The channel's really starting to gather pace lately. It's going from strength to strength and really starting to snowball. So I look forward to all your questions coming in. With that said, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, love each other, and I'll see you soon.